Up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is still your boy Wise King. So in this video, it's actually me documenting my trading journey right here on this platform, showing you guys the wins, the losses, and the lessons. So in this video, I'm actually here to update you all on how my trade actually went this week. So I took a trade on Friday and the result wasn't, although my strategy and everything actually aligned, but it didn't play out as expected. And this very particular one I took on Thursday actually went all the way to about 2 RR, then later reversed back to our stop loss, and everything was shared in my inner circle. You guys can see this very particular trade that I took on Friday. You guys can see right here that I sent this very particular trade to my inner circle. You guys can see the sell limit and the time the trade actually came active, and also the time it hits our stop loss. I also updated everyone in the inner circle. You guys can see everything in real time. So this video won't be that very long, but I'll try my possible best to show you guys what actually happened and what I actually saw on the charts that made me to take this very particular trade. So let me move over to the 5 minutes time frame, and that's actually what I do use for my analysis. Let me move over to the 5 minutes time frame. So right here on this section, you guys can see that there is a liquidity sitting at this highs, because I do trade liquidity. There is a liquidity sitting at this highs, and there's also a liquidity sitting at these lows. So I actually took this very particular liquidity as my POI, and market actually came very close to, wait, this wasn't where my stop loss was at. My stop loss was around this very particular point, because this was the line I was using for my the next highs. Let me check. Yeah, this was actually the line I was using for my next highs, and that's actually where my stop loss was at. So right here you guys can see the market actually took us out on this trade, then later retraced back a little and started pushing all the way up again. And this was the exact trade that I took yesterday in my GFT and also in my Vprop account. So right now I'm currently in a drawdown of about $200 in my Vprop account, and in my GFT account I'm still in a profit of about $1,300. So I hope to pass that account very soon, the GFT own and also the Vprop own, and let's see how next week would actually be. So I'll still update you all on how everything goes from now till Monday till Friday next week, and also beyond. Whenever I okay, actually I'm in it, up about $1,231 in my GFT account. You guys can see on the screen. So let me see how everything goes from now till month end, by the end of this month, and also from now till next week. I will update you all on how my trade actually goes from now till then, so you all will track the progress much more closely and see how I'm doing everything in real time. So guys, that's actually it. So I actually took this very particular liquidity as my POI, and this very particular one as my buy side liquidity. And also right here you guys can see that this market actually formed an M formation, but I was waiting for the second leg to form very well. You guys can see this was actually an M formation. Let me go over to the 15 minutes time frame and show you guys how I was able to see it. So right here you guys can see that this is actually an M formation, right? Yeah, this is actually an M formation. You guys can see right here. So I was waiting for the next leg to at least come back to this very particular POI, which is actually this liquidity sitting at this highs, then now pull back, waiting for the pullback, but eventually it didn't go as expected. So that's just it, and it is what it is. I'll make sure I update you all on how everything goes next week, and whenever I pass the Vprop challenge account and get funded, and also my GFC. So guys, that's actually it. This video won't be that too long, and if you would love to join my inner circle where I do send all the trades that I take, you can consider checking the link in the video description. Tap on it, join my inner circle, and you guys can see right here, this is actually my inner circle that we are doing everything. So this trade won't actually stop us. So you guys can see everything on the screen. So if you would love to join my inner circle, you can also check out the link in the description to join my inner circle. And if you got value from the video, go over now to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this later in the future. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Keep winning, and I hope to see you all at the top. Thank you guys for watching.